I call myself not outdoorsy, yet here I am on another solo camping trip. This time I'm returning to my favorite campground in Southwest Washington. This video is all about that contradiction, and I'll explain it once we're settled in. First, let's find our site and set up camp. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to be here at this campground again. If you've been with me a while, you might have seen this before. I'll take you on a little tour of my campsite. Here we have a tent pad, which is always appreciated, a sturdy table for cooking, cleaning, and eating, and finally, a fire pit that I won't be able to use this time around. If you're new here, I'm Tori, and I'm chasing my wild here in the Pacific Northwest. So I'm filling up my water right now, and the water pressure is super low. Last time it was just gushing out, but I got a feeling they're winding down because they'll be closing for the season here, I think, next week. So, and I only saw like one or two other campers here, so hopefully I'll be all by myself. I was hoping for some fall colors, but I think we're just a little too early, unfortunately. So unfortunately, my tarp that I used on my last camp trip a couple weeks ago, I didn't really fully let dry, and so it kind of stinks. So I'm going to use my footprint that I got probably a couple months ago that I haven't used yet. So watch my last camping video, you'll recognize these little tent stakes, brand new. I used them last time for the first time and they worked really well. So we're going to try them again. Okay, welcome to my humble abode. So I'm trying something different this time. First time it was pretty comfortable, but I'm using my little sleeping pad underneath. Hopefully that'll provide me a little more protection from all the support poles that we have on this thing. Have you ever mentioned that putting a camp together is hard work? It is, but it's fun. I'm having a blast. I've had some time to kind of relax after setting up camp, and it is so nice out. It's so peaceful, and every once in a while you'll hear a car on the road. Many times you'll just hear the wind coming. It's really kind of cool, so I'm looking forward to 2 days out here in the forest up in the mountains, and hope you want to come along. Let's go check out Wind River together. This campground is right next to the river and it's just a short walk from my campsite. It's just so beautiful here. Peaceful. It's really cool. So, I have a confession to make. I'm not naturally an outdoors person. I mean, I would be completely content just staying at home all day, every day. Just a homebody. I've become a homebody. But I live in such a beautiful state that it's a shame that I don't get out more. So with this channel, it's kind of given me some accountability to get out there, explore, spend time outdoors, because when you spend time in nature, just everything is so much better. So that's my confession. So tonight I'm making beef burritos. Still a little frozen. I got too much meat. Got some pepper jack and some cheddar. If you have little packets of hot sauce from like Taco Time or Taco Bell, these are perfect for camping. Lettuce that's yellowing. I like to fold my burrito over a little bit at the end. This is good. It's a little messy, but it's good. So I'm just sitting here by the non-existent fire, just waiting to have my little cookies. I got some little cookies from home. There's a fire ban in the forest, so there's no fires. I did have a propane fire pit in my Amazon cart, and I decided it was just not the right kind that I wanted. I'd rather spend money on something I want rather than something that I can get right away. So we'll just make do without a fire for a few days. It'll be okay. We'll just be out here until it gets dark and cold, and then we'll go to bed and watch some Netflix or something.
Well, that's a wrap on a perfect day one. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. We're cooking more camp food, hiking to an epic waterfall, and scouting dispersed campsites for next year. Until then, go chase your own wild.